Hey precious family, welcome to our kitchen. Today's one is simple as always. Gloria will say, yeah, we're making pawpaw with milk, almond milk and carnation milk. 2 ways to enjoy your pawpaw. Summer is around the corner. We have our almond milk here and carnation milk and pawpaw broth. Yeah, we're going to make smoothie that you can drink, and then the same pawpaw with a carnation milk, then you can use spoon to eat it. Okay, let's start. Peel our pawpaw. Here you go, pawpaw. Okay. Look, it's beautiful in there. Got inside. You move for fair. Wow. So you take the seeds out. Okay, so we have this one. We see done. Now the next one. Okay. You can just chop it like this and put it in, but if you want it a little bit stylish, then you go for this or any cutter of your choice. Okay. BB collections. And we had the foam say about your kama. And so hairstylist for weddings, naming ceremony. Dr. Strands GH. Obey your say fe. Alfredo, about the Pama wedding dress, Nina, or Bombarding Womupa. Or not so yet, wear TK. Let's see. Got some flowers. You add your milk. Blend it. Here we are. Isn't it beautiful? Yep. Now our carnation milk goes here. That's the fruit. And now, ladies and gentlemen, present to you our pawpaw and carnation milk. Fante for one day. Se Fante for one day. Say, I'm telling you. Say indeed, carnation milk and a pawpaw dam. Pawpaw try. Try it. You will love it. Come and thank me later. Yes. So we are done. Let's enjoy our pawpaw. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed. Love you all. Bye. Let's dig in. Oops. Look at that. Hey, Mr. Try.